Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to test the dual SIM 5G support in the Realme GT Neo 2. Let's see whether this phone actually supports SIM 1 and SIM 2 with a 5G network or not, because these are the comments which I'm getting on the Realme GT Neo 2 for a long time. So I thought of making a video on this particular topic. As you can see, even these are exact comments. So that the phone supports any kind of dual 5G or not. So let's see. Right now I did use the dual SIM cards in this device, SIM 1 with Idea and SIM 2 with the Jio SIM card as well. Now I'll try to demonstrate you what is happening with the SIM 1 and SIM 2 networks. Let's go to the SIM card and the mobile data SIM 1. So right now I'm trying to use the Idea network, and you can actually see 5G which is displaying in the SIM 1, 5G, 4G, 3G and the 2G. That's kind of working successfully, no issues with the SIM 1. Let's go to the SIM 2. Let's see what happens in the SIM 2, whether we can actually access 5G or not. In the SIM 2 there is no 5G, so that means overall maybe the phone might be having only single SIM 5G network. I mean SIM slot 1 will be having the 5G support only, not the dual SIM support at this moment. Can you clearly see? But there is another option which clearly says 5G indication. As you can see friends, maybe this might be enabled when there is a 5G network on the SIM 2. That's what I'm quite confused at this moment. You can clearly see what is happening. So there's an option which says 5G. So maybe overall, I think the SIM 2 may also support the 5G if there is any kind of network at this moment. But right now there is no network, 5G network in my location. Obviously, even getting 4G plus is kind of difficult in few networks. So 5G, I'm not sure when I'll be getting, but still. So there's the option of the 5G in the dual SIM, second SIM card. In the SIM 1, there is no such option 5G, but there is preferred network type which is 5G, 4G and 3G. That's a kind of small change in this. As you can see, SIM 1 and the SIM 2, what is happening exactly in this moment. So you may be thinking that if I try to change the SIM cards, SIM 1 and the SIM 2, if I try to swap, the things might be different, but let me try to do that. So I'm going to change the SIM card from one side to the other one. Let's see what happens. G is SIM card now in the SIM slot 1, and SIM slot 2 is the Idea SIM card, V SIM card. Yeah. Right now, yes, perfect. Now I did, so I try to swap it. So now we'll be able to observe what is happening with the differences. So is there any differences we can actually see? So we can actually find the 5G option in both SIM card slots, but not in the preferred type. Now let's go to the SIM 1. In the SIM 1 we are getting right now 5G. You can see it's kind of enabled at this moment. SIM 1 no issues, as you can see. But in the preferred type I am getting in 5G, 4G, 3G and 2G. So before in the SIM 2 with the same Jio SIM card we did get only one line, and 5G it is not enabled in the SIM 2. If you try to observe carefully, it is not enabled, but right now I can actually enable as well the 5G in the SIM 1. In the SIM 2 I was unable to enable because that's a disabled option. In the SIM 2, let's see what is happening, and there is no 5G displaying at this moment. So I think maybe the SIM 1 only might support 5G at this moment. Yes, unfortunately in the SIM 2 I'm not getting any kind of indication, friends. Yes, this is the final conclusion, friends. Sorry for this kind of confusing, because even I need to figure out multiple combinations. Only then we can actually decide what is happening with this one. So overall the SIM 1 only supports 5G. That's the final conclusion which I can actually come into this year. So same thing, same Jio SIM card I used before in the SIM card SIM 2, and then I was unable to use, but right now I was able to use it. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and it's a quick test on the Realme GT Neo 2 using dual SIM 5G support is there or not, but overall only SIM 1 is supported with the 5G in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.